For small projects, making estimates isn't a problem, especially when you can look at a property on Google Maps and give them a rough idea over the phone. It only costs you 10 minutes. But what happens when you need to give an estimate on a large project? How should you handle that? Free bids for large projects cost you more time. It could take you 3 trips to the site, time measuring, designing, and working with the client on their specific needs. Before you know it, you have dozens of man-hours into just estimating the project. Those are hours that you could be using to get profitable work done. If you value your time at $70 per man-hour, you just gave away $350 to a client that may not even choose you to do the work. Another way to do estimating is using a cost-plus approach. First, make sure that the client is actually ready to make a purchase. Do they have finances for the scope of the proposed project? Are they in a position to make the final decision on the project? After you qualify the client, then you can sign a contract to help them with the engineering and designing of the project. It would probably be under $1,000, but would give them a full materials takeoff, design, and costs. It would be good enough for them to take to another contractor to complete. It would compensate you for the time that you will invest researching the product, understanding the client's needs, and coming up with a solution that meets their needs and budget. At this point, what you are selling the client is your expertise to value engineer the project. You can give them advice on decks versus patios, types of pools, product costs, terracing retaining walls, etc., helping them come out with a project that matches the budget and gives them what they want the most. If a client is trying to get shade in a hot backyard, you know the benefits and cons of different shade options. You have the expertise to give them the best experience for their budget. That's worth something.